Hello and welcome to another new episode of Learning Simplified. Now, based on some previous questions, we have created this new video series of tutorials here. And in this series of tutorials, actually, we are going to discuss on some very basic discussion on this HTML5 and some CSS applications here, like some rare tags or selectors, filters, CSS animation, etc. etc. So this is the series which is practically being created in this purpose. Previously we had a couple of discussion on HTML and CSS, so you might be interested in seeing those videos first, but right now here we will be specific. Now in the first case, we will be discussing on this HTML and HTML5 general structure and some rarely used specific tags. Like we will be knowing here how to declare HTML5 document. This is practically a matter of confusion among many of the students, that how to declare an individual HTML5 page or document into our project, and we will be discussing it right over here. And next we'll be knowing about some important tags like those meta tags, the usage of HR tag, ins and delete tag, address, site, opt group. So these are the tags, those we'll be discussing next, and these are very rare tags. Those are being used into HTML documentation. So have a look into these tutorials first. We'll be first of all discussing on it, and in the second case, we will be having a discussion on the CSS properties, like some general discussions, some very basic discussions here. And the most and obvious effect is the CSS filters effect. Next we will be defining, next we will be observing this CSS selectors here, CSS animation property, which is very useful in making your web project using HTML5. And there will be a lot of various discussions, other discussions. So all you need to do is to stick to this tutorial and observe them, this series of tutorials and each of the videos those we are about to release in this purpose. So stay tuned